Adobe Connect 12.11 brings some exciting new developments to the platform, including a brand new interface. Pods, along with all UI elements, have been redesigned with a new, modern appearance that incorporates transparency, rounded corners, and a major update to the iconography and text used throughout the interface. Making a pod active will also make it opaque, putting more focus where it's needed. The chat pod has been improved with support for replying to messages. Clicking on the reply button will quote the original message in your response. This update also brings two new pod types to Adobe Connect. The Resources pod replaces the Web Links and Files pods. The Resources pod supports both web links and files, so you no longer need to have two pods on your layout to share resources. Hosts can even reorder the resources available in this pod. Any of your existing rooms will have their web links and files pods automatically upgraded to the new Resources pod. The Survey pod is a completely new pod we've introduced in this version. It enables hosts to add surveys with up to 25 questions, including multiple choice, multiple answer, and short answer questions. Questions can be set to be optional or required, and the survey can be set to be anonymous or include a respondent's name. In either case, it will be clear to the participants responding to the survey whether or not it's anonymous. When the survey's in progress, hosts can see the progress of how many participants have started and completed the survey. Results are available in the Session Engagement Report. We've made it easy to share surveys across different rooms on your account. Questions can be easily imported and exported as CSV files. The entire survey, with all of the associated options, can also be saved to the Adobe Connect content library as a survey package with a single click. This makes it incredibly easy to reuse a survey across multiple rooms. Adobe Connect recordings have also seen some upgrades with this new release. It's now much easier to change the options of a recording, including making it public directly from your Adobe Connect homepage. In fact, you may notice a new option here to share resources in the recording. The new Adobe Connect recording player now shows the transcript by default when it's available, and includes a new tab for resources that were used during the live session. Now, someone watching the recording can also access those same resources. That's a quick look at some of the new features in Adobe Connect 12.11. Thanks for your time.